Merlin here. Well, last time we made a video, we mentioned about having to install the drain plugs. Well, we now got the drain plugs installed. There's that one there installed. And here's this one here installed. So the rear drain plugs on the bottom are now installed. So next thing we're going to do is go ahead and put our zip ties on and finish up the skirt, these two sections of the skirt, and then the skirt will be totally completed. So that's where we are there. And I'm probably going to drill out that drain plug there and that one over there and replace it with the new drain plugs also. As you can see, I've got the drive assembly unbolted. I got to engineer a way to connect that drive sprocket there to the engine, and I got to do some modifications back in here to close off the airflow going from the fan underneath, since we'll be having the lift fan set up. I've got an idea. I'm not going to mention it yet until I incorporate it and see how it works out, but I got a little idea of something I think might work out pretty cool. Won't know until I test it. But anyway, that's our progress for today, for this morning, of what we're working with. And I'm going to go ahead and get started this morning and do some more work on it. And I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching.